Ladies and gentlemen, the following program is covered under the Fair Use Act of 1976. Oh, it's true. Oh, it's so true. Thank you guys for joining me here today. So check it out, guys. Bear with me for a moment. So we got another arrest on the RRU, Real Writing Uncut. And it's about... Follow me as I take you there. Now, we have Ricky Binham. And he was arrested a little while ago, last month. The 27th, not too long ago. So we find him locked up shortly after he did this.
Y'all see my motherfucker? Skip.
So we see Ricky right here doing an interview with none other than who? You guessed it, the CI himself. So you're probably wondering right now, well, Pro V Polymath, I'm asking you, what is his charge? And is he closely related to Cherry in regards to getting locked up because of Cherry? Well, you make the call. Here's his charges. Now, as you can see, guys, failure to appear. 2 failures to appear, and the most, important one, I'd say, $30,000. Robbery with firearms or other dangerous weapons. And you might be wondering, well, what exactly did Ricky do? Well, would you guys like to see? It's up to you. So, we go to our portal. North Carolina portal, the freaking most greatest tool known to man. And we type in his information, guys, and we see what it brings up. Give me a moment, guys, while I put in this information. All right. What? All right. Now, see what we got. So let's check it out, guys. Huh. Interesting. Let's see what old Ricky was up to on November 12th, 2025. So, Ricky. A public officer holding office of Greensboro Department. Oh, let me read it over. Count 1. The officer named on side 1 has probable cause to believe that on or about Wednesday, the 8th of October at 5:36 p.m. in the county named above, you did unlawfully and willfully steal, take, and carry away grocery items, the personal property of Walmart. Such property having a value of $375.55. Oh, Ricky, come on. You stole groceries from Walmart? Now, on the second count 2, Wednesday, same day, in the county named above, resist, delay, and obstruct. Public officer holding the office of Greensboro by running away and attempting to escape at the time the officer was discharging and attempting to discharge. What are you trying? What? An official duty by attempting to place Mr. Binham under arrest. Wow, guys. Well, all I gotta say is wow. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I didn't even read that one. I only read the first one, the robbery and whatnot. Wow. Oh, Ricky. So let's move on to the more important count that he has here. Robbery with dangerous weapons. Let me shoot down to right here. So he did have a warrant. He did have a warrant issued. That's very interesting because a couple weeks after he has an interview with Cherry. Now you would say, okay, a couple weeks after, 4 weeks after. You would say maybe, maybe not. I don't know. It's up in the air. To me, I don't know. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to say. I'm just presenting my review, my conclusions, and I want to see what you guys have to say. Count 1. On or about the date of the offense shown and in the county named above, the defendant unlawfully, willfully, and feloniously did steal, take, and carry away another's personal property, blankets, socks, backpack, cooler, and perishable items of the value $91 from Dollar General when Sabrina Estrada Escobar was present and in attendance. The defendant committed this act by means of an assault. You hurt a woman? You hurt a woman? Assault consisting of having in possession and threatening the use of a firearm. Handgun whereby the life of Sabrina Estrada Escobar was threatened and endangered. You piece of trash. What a piece of crap. To threaten a poor woman and assault her. Wow. See, I read this one. I did. I knew about this one, but I didn't read the Walmart one. So you're stealing food because you're hungry. You're assaulting a woman because your little piggies, your little toesies are cold. Let's see. This little piggy went to Dollar General store. This little piggy was cold. This little piggy cried, and all the other piggies cried all the way to the jail cell where it's freaking cold as hell. Cold as fuck, not hell, because hell is hot. It's cold and it's dark and hell is hot. Oh, man, I'm telling you guys. It doesn't stop. He sure knows the ones to hang with. The felons, the lowlifes, they all stick together, guys. Like he said, birds of a feather on his most recent live. Yeah, you're right about that. You know, he's sitting here flexing, but yet, you know, everything adds up, guys. He's sitting in a brand new place, but yet eating out of what? Eating what? Yeah, it shows, guys. It really shows. Try to flex, but when you can't flex, you're trying to flex, but you can't flex, Mr. Cherry. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I got for right now. Check me out on the next review. The next review's coming out very shortly. There's going to be an influx of reviews today, guys, so don't worry. You'll be seeing more of me very shortly. My name is Pro V Polymath. Have a great, wonderful Monday and enjoy your week, guys. See you soon.